Hello and welcome to Company Interiors. My name's Nick Clark, and in today's video I thought we would cover one of the subjects which is now about how we are going about designing moss walls. So you've looked at various videos on our channel as to how we're making them, some of the materials that are used. But this time we're going to dive into the process of design. If that's what you choose, you want to have someone like us actually install a moss wall for you as opposed to buying the product yourself. So how do we go about that whole process? So Company Interiors, our main company, is design and build of offices and commercial environments, but we also offer all of these products which are preserved plants and mosses. So you'll find those in the links in the description below this video. So let's have a look at the one of the projects that we've just finished. We're reverse engineering this. So we're showing you the end result and then how we actually got to this finished installed product and how was it installed. So this is a reindeer moss, sometimes called lichen. It is a sustainably sourced product harvested from recorded farms in Scandinavia. Very important that you stick to Scandinavian products because these are ecologically sustainably managed. So it comes naturally in a clear format at the top left of the picture, and then it comes in different colors, a myriad of different colors for you. So we would go through the process the same as we were designing an office or designing some interior space. We would take the brief from the client, whether these are going on walls, whether they're hanging from ceiling rafts, whether they're in planters. These are all natural plants, but they are preserved. So not like the fake, not like the plastic, real plants requiring no maintenance, no watering. How are they installed? Reindeer moss, I would tend to recommend that you would buy these, acquire these if you're doing it yourself on pre-made panels, because it's slightly more difficult to adhere. So you'd have the panel itself, you'd have a variety of mosses that is going to go onto the panel. The backing of the panel is either a felt, a cork, or a wood, sometimes aluminium, but that just gives more weight. You then have the substrate, which is what is going onto, and then you have the fixing directly onto that, often straight through the panel into the substrate, and then you would have just some extra moss that you would apply to actually fill the spaces. It's a natural product, it works fine. Look at the size of the wall, give us the sizes of the wall, we can work that out. Even if you're just buying the material, we will work out the sizes for you. You'll see all that on our website. You can check in the link in the description where you'll find some links to it. People will often ask what adhesive is used on these panels for the moss. Again, this is a solvent-free GRIPFILL. I'll give you a link in the description so you can take a look at the products that we use. The client would then receive what we call a bill of materials. So it's all the products that are going to be used in the wall, what mosses, because you've got flat moss, or sometimes called sheet moss. You have bun moss, sometimes called pole moss, and then you have reindeer mosses in different colors: olives, spring, lime, forest green, on and on and on. Reds, yellows, blues, all sorts of different colors are available. We would then produce a computer render of what colors you have chosen, and then produce that so you can sign that off, change the colors. Makes a massive difference to the design, or add some foliage, add a corporate sign. This is then given to our sign makers. They can produce a corporate logo over the top of it. Looks amazing. Bun moss or pole moss is going to be more 3D, more undulating. If that's what you want for the design, then that's what would be built in. You can also ask for samples. Panels pre-made will give you a linear contemporary design for the space. Again, will last 5 years, 8 years plus. No water, no maintenance, no natural light, just remains looking that good. Moss walls, that can be incorporated into some other paneling. looks amazing. Again, very straightforward to build this yourself. These do not have to come in panels if it's flat moss or bun moss, or we come to site and we install the whole thing. So that's how we do it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you again.